So this is just a really quick activity. Some of you have asked me, how will you know what notes you're going to be playing when you're using the pitch plugin? Now, obviously you can kind of keep it in your head. So if you were playing something that was in C and you did -2, then you would be 2 semitones below C, which would be B flat or A sharp, but I like to call it B flat. Of course, what you can also do is bring in Ableton's tuner. So here's a C. And then when I hit 2 plus 2, it gives us D. When I do -2, it gives us B flat. So that's your quick tip. This is how you'll know what you're playing, but I would suggest that it's actually a reasonably good expectation that you start to keep this information in your head, right? So here's a C. And when you add 2 in the pitch plugin, it's C and then up 2 semitones. 2 semitones is also a tone or a whole tone, and that leads you to the note D. Okay, please remember to like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out some of the other pitch consolidation activities. Bye for now.